Hello.
Shut the door and stuff. Hi guys, it's us. Hi. Bean's back, and first and foremost, we just want to say thank you for the support that you've given us over the last week, and thank you to every single person that helped get Bean home.
I feel at peace. At first, before I left, before I even made the decision to go, I was like bouncing back and forth between, should I go? You know, I didn't know if it was the right thing or not, but I did go, and coming back from that, I just have so much peace. It was a beautiful service. So much of my family from different parts of the country flew in, and it was just so beautiful. Like, I don't have the words to describe how happy I was, despite how like sad of a situation it was. But I just came back with a lot of love in my heart, and that wouldn't have happened without your support, so thank you so much.
Yeah, so we were trying to figure out like what the reason was, like why things kept happening every time we tried to leave and whatever, and I guess the reason is because if we had taken off, she would have had to fly home from wherever we were, and we don't know how expensive that would have been, or like if it would have even been possible. And that on top of, I would have had to be left alone somewhere in the country, and for like my anxiety reasons and stuff like that, I would just prefer not to do that. So the universe was looking out, you know, things happened the way that they were supposed to, and it did. And so, and you guys were a part of that as well, and getting her out to LA and back. So she's here now. I picked her up, and we have an exciting new project that we want to share with you guys. Yeah, so without further ado, we are creating a zine. So we're creating our own zine. It's going to be parts of our travel from the road that we don't get to express in videos. It's going to be a more creative and genuine and artistic expression. We're really excited to share this part of us, this creative process with you guys, and yeah, it's gonna be a 14-page zine, not including the cover or the back, and it's gonna consist of things like cooking recipes from us being on the road, personal journal entries, poetry, photography.
We're gonna keep track of the places that we've been to. We're gonna have a reflection column. It's just, we don't want to give away too much.
Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that we're gonna put in there, and we're really excited to share it with you guys. And so the way that we're gonna do it is we're gonna keep it pretty cheap. Everything's gonna be under $10, and we're gonna do 2 different ways that you can get it. So the first way would be per issue, and you can buy our zines per issue at $9. For those people that are interested in getting a zine every week, because we do plan on putting out a weekly issue of this zine, if you want to have like a subscription type deal, we're gonna make that $7. So it's either $9 per issue, or if you're a subscrition based person, you want it every week, it's $7. And for the people that are already pledging to me on Patreon or anything, if you're around that area of pledge money per month, don't worry about it. And of course, if you're over it, don't worry about it. I'll send you that for free, at no extra charge. There's no reason you should have to pay for 2 separate things. So yeah, I'm just gonna start throwing that into your monthly prize for that pledge. And yeah, so just email me your address if you're one of those people.
The first 10 people to purchase the zine are gonna get one of the VICARI pins that Chelsea has, you know, sold to people in the past. Given to people in the past.
We're just gonna throw those in there.
And one of my prints. So get that limited edition.
Yeah.
10 of 10.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna be really cool.
Yeah, and so we're gonna throw in some prints that we've made from her photography into the first 10 people that sign up for a subscription-based one, and then also every month for the people that are subscription based, we're going to throw in a free travel trinket. Picking up gifts and little knickknacks and stuff on the road is really fun, and it's cool to have those things as like collector's items from our road trip. So we are, one person a month is going to end up getting a travel trinket in your package with you, and then also it's gonna have some exclusive content in there as well. We're gonna have videos that we make specifically for the people that buy the zines. This isn't just subscription based on this one. This is anyone that purchases the zine. We will have information for a video link that only you can access with that link, so you can go there and check out exclusive content that way. And yeah, we're just really excited to create all these things for you and share this with you and get this stuff going out there.
If there's anything that you guys like would dig to see in the zine, let us know. Like, creativity is an endless, bottomless hit, so just let us. And we're also going to include a featured artist page, so you know, if you've got some art, some poetry, if you take pictures, anything,
whatever,
just, you know, shoot us a message.
Yeah.
Let us know. We would love to see it. Anything is beautiful.
Yeah.
Everything is beautiful.
And we would love to help get your stuff out there as well. If you are an artist that, you know, just like needs another platform to put yourself up, like self out there on, we got you, dude. And
we got pages to fill.
We got pages to fill. And yeah, so look forward to that kind of stuff coming from us. We're really excited about it. Again, this is going to be a really cool creative outlet for us that we don't really get to express with you guys on the internet, like through YouTube, through our Instagram accounts, whatever. This is something completely 100% handmade. Each issue we put a lot of effort into, and I'm super stoked on sharing that with you guys. That's it for now, and yeah, we are heading out in the next 4 days, so it's official.
It's about to get
real. I'm super excited. And now that we've traveled together in the past, like, confidence for like getting through weird situations is like pretty high.
Yeah. I started off like down here, and it's it's right here.
Yeah,
you know, there's not to go, but it's cool.
So we're gonna get into some pretty crazy situations on the road. We already have a couple kind of scary routes planned, if you will. So,
but we're down.
Yeah, we're down.
So
stay tuned to see this disaster. We'll see you guys in the next video. Again, thank you for everything, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.